Most people think sneezing with your eyes open is impossible. They're completely wrong. Here's the weird science behind it. When you sneeze, your body goes into overdrive. A signal rushes through your nervous system. It triggers a reflex that closes your eyes. This is a protective measure. Your body is instinctively blocking irritants from entering. If you sneezed with your eyes open, they could dry out or get hurt. So every time you feel a sneeze, your body's got your back. Isn't it wild how your body protects itself even when you're not aware?